So we'll practice with TestDisk on this Linux now. So to get it started, just put TestDisk in. I ain't got no notes on this one, but I think it's pretty easy to use. So I'm going to go to this 14GB one, SanDisk Ultra. It should have a lost partition on it, so you have to go to proceed. It's already detected Intel. Analyze. Quick search. It looks like it's found one already. So press enter to continue, and then write it. Right partition table. Saying you have to reboot, but I don't think you have to. I'll just have a look there. You might have to. Can't see it. So it's still staying, it's unallocated. So let's try again. Analyze. Quick search. Okay, we'll start again. I've had this work on Windows, so it's probably what I'm doing. Right, reboot them. I'll just stop that though and then come back. Okay, so back on that, and it is showing here. So I'll just check to see if the partition is back and the lost stuff is available. Yeah, it is. So there you go, it works perfect. So there you go, if you actually do what it says on the screen, it will work. So anyway, I'm going to delete all that. Move to rubbish. You can undo still there, look. I'll get rid of that. Empty the rubbish bin as well. So it's like it's been deleted. We'll try and rescue it with PhotoRec, which is brilliant. So same one. Proceed. So I'll search that one. It's going to detect most of it anyway, so we'll just make sure we read them. Now I'm going to do the whole lot. So I'm going to put it to my pictures. and then it says press C here. You don't, when you first see that screen you get a bit confused, but you just press C and it's going to start recovering. Well, it's going to search and recover. It's found 24 JPEGs, and I mean that'll do, to be honest, just as a display. So I'll just quit that. There's your logs of that for it, but it should be in the pictures. Recoup directory. So there you go, lots of stuff. And where that address keeps appearing from, it's been in a lot of oh, there you go, it's a brilliant bit of kit. See if the video is working. I haven't got the right codec things in it at the minute, so there you go.